Hi students, welcome. So now we are discussing about how to construct a hexagonal plate projection. So our problem is a hexagonal plate of side 30 mm is resting on a corner in HP. Clear? In last problem itself I explained. In case side is resting means how to draw the hexagon initial, similar case corner means. So based on that, a hexagonal plate of side 30 mm is resting on a corner in HP with its surface makes 35 degree inclined to HP. The top view is inclined at 40 degree to the VP. Draw its projection. Clear? So first you draw XY reference. So while the surface inclined 30 degree, so therefore the inclination with HP is visible in front view. Therefore after inclination it's okay. Then before inclination is completely rest on HP. Therefore the plate is completely rest on HP means the true shape of given plate is hexagon. Therefore the hexagon is visible only on top view. Therefore first we draw top view and its corner they given, therefore left consider as a corner point. Therefore this is the hexagon. In this way we want to draw hexagon. Clear? This one, it is hexagon. So assign A, B, C, D, E, F. After that you draw the projection line. Clear? From top to front. So this all the points you project it. So from F it is same, from B also, from E it is also, the C and E both are coincide, no problem. So now your front view is completely lies on XY. So this one is A dash, B dash, comma F dash, C dash, comma E dash and D dash. So it is before inclination is the plane is completely lies on HP. Therefore top view, then front view. Now as per the condition, with its surface makes 35 degree inclined to HP. Now the plane is inclined 30 degree to HP means only one point. That means in our condition, in our case, A point is lies on HP. That is one of its corner A. Therefore it's inclined 35 degree. So you draw 35 degree line. This is A dash. A dash to B, D dash how much distance? Same A dash to D dash. Clear? Then same size, same shape, straight line. Only one difference, it is horizontal, this is the given angle 35 degree. Now A to B distance, measure it. A to B distance how much? Same thing, D to C also. Therefore this is B dash, F dash, C dash, E dash. Clear? Right. After that you draw the projection from A, from B F, from C E, from D. Similarly from first diagram F and E. So F versus F, E versus E. Next A and D. This is A, this is D. Next B and C. This is B, this is C, because B versus B, C versus C, like this. So finally you join. This is A, B, C, D, E, F. You join it all the points A, B, C, D, E, F, A. So we get again 6 sides polygon. So this is the first diagram. This is the second diagram. The second and third both are same shape and size. We get third diagram. Then we get fourth diagram. Now the surface makes an angle 35 degree inclined to HP. That's over. In same problem, the top view is inclined at 40 degree to the VP. So after inclined to HP, we get the top view. This top view is 40 degree to VP. So now at present, this, for example, let us consider the which corner is lies corner A. Therefore, the diagonal passing through that corner means AD diagonal. Therefore, that diagonal let us consider parallel to VP. Now, it is inclined to VP. How much inclined to VP means 40 degree. Therefore, so the diagonal is still 40 degree means the total diagram, that is the total top view also is tilting 40 degree. No. So therefore, as per the problem, the top view is inclined at 40 degree to VP. Therefore, here you draw 40 degree line, same diagram, same shape, size, you keep it here. Instead of horizontal, you keep 40 degree. Clear? So for example, locate A and D. How much distance? Same A and D, same distance. Now here to here, these two lines are parallels. How much distance here to here? Same distance, this side and that side. Mark it. Next thing, from A, how much distance is here? Similarly, from here to here, how much? Here to here, how much? You mark it, perpendicular line. This one, this one. Same here also. This one, that one. Correct. Now this point is B, C, D, E, F. Now you join A, B, C, D, E, F, A. Clear? The black color. So here fourth diagram and fifth diagram both are same shape and size. Only one difference here, parallel to VP, inclined 40 degree to VP. That's all. After that, we know that you draw the projection lines from fifth diagram, B, A, F, C, E, D, like this. Now from here, D versus D, this is D dash. Now C and E, where is E? This one is E dash. C means this one is C dash. Next B, F, where is B? The last one. So this one is B dash. F means this one is F dash. F versus F. Next A versus A. This one is A versus A. So you see, no? This is F. This is A. So now you join A, B, C, D, all the points. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. So here one line, here one line, here, like this. So for example, this is A to F, F to E, E to D, D to C, C to B, like this. Your answer is like this. Clear? So in this case, only one, the point A only is lies on XY, that is lies on HP. Clear? So whether check our problem is correct or wrong as per the condition. Okay, a corner in the HP, yes, the corner in HP. Next, the surface makes an angle 35 degree and the top is inclined 40 degree. That's all. So this is the solution. Clear? Thank you.